Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can recover or reset your password on Hotmail. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.hotmail.com and hit enter. As you can see on my screen, if you type in the address for Hotmail, you'll be guided to Outlook. Now, for you to recover your password, firstly click on this sign in button on the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on the sign in button, you'll be guided to another page. On this page, fill in your email address. Once you fill in your email address, click on the next button. Once you fill in your email address and click on the next button, you'll see a forgot password option on the bottom of the password option. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on the forgot password option, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, you'll have to click on this get code option. Once you click on the get code option, a mail will be sent to your email address, which will consist of a unique code which you'll have to fill in on this tab. Once you fill in the exact code on this tab, click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, you'll be guided to another page. Now on this page, you can create a new password. You'll have to create a new password here, re-enter the exact password here and then click on the next button. Once you click on the next button and if you have filled in the required password correctly, the password of your Hotmail account will automatically be changed. I hope this video helped you to reset or recover your password on your Hotmail account. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.